How to fix Facebook Messenger call problem. If you have any problem with the calling in your Facebook Messenger, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps manager page. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps. Go to the Facebook Messenger right here, click on force stop, and then click on the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions, especially the phone permission and the microphone permission. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear cache, go back again, click on data usage, and right here you have to make sure that all these options are enabled. After you finish now, or what you want to do is restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later.